I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about C of return statement with example. So this is the point about to return statement. So return statement terminates execution of the method in which it appears and return control to the calling method. So let's understand by example. So I am going to use a static int add method, going to create add method with two parameter a and b. Now here after let's use int add here add 1 and equal to a plus b and here return add 1. So this is the one method that I created with the name add. Here this is the tab static and here int and here this is the return tag. Now hereafter, so this is the one simple method. Now hereafter let's go inside main method and here going to take integer tab variable n1 comma enter and hereafter console cross dot write line method going to use. So add here in double quote going to write enter tier numbers. So this will print into the output screen. Hereafter n1 equal to int dot parse console dot read line and hereafter n2 equal to int dot parse console dot read time. Now hereafter let's take one more integer type variable int r and here going to use add method and here passing two parameter n1 and n2 and here write one more time console cross dot write method or return method the addition is and here plus passing r. So this is the example to add two numbers by using return statement. Now let's execute and check the output. So enter two number. First I'm going to enter 6, hereafter 4. 6 plus 4, the addition of two number 10. So add here return statement. So if you execute this code, then first control comes to main method. Here I have taken two integer type variable n1 and n2 and here this are displayed to the output screen and whatever going to enter, so that received by n1. So going to enter n1 value 8 and n2 value 4. So add here n1 value 8 4. Now here after add there is a one add method. So this called add method here. So add here n1 value 8 n2 value 4. So according to this that accept the values of a and b. So at this position, so this position that receives at here a value 8 and here this position that accept the value b value 4. Now here after that coincide here 8 plus 4 the value come at here 12. Now here add one value is the 12. Here after return statement, so that to return or 12. Now here after control back to this point, so this value is now 12 that return and here this return 12, so this value is 12. So 12 go to r. Here after console dot write and addition is r value 12 it will display. So let's execute and check n1 value 8 n2 value 4. So and the addition is 12 it's a display. So there I am using return statement. So return statement terminates execution of the method in which it appears. So when return statements it comes, so that terminates execution of the method. So it when the everything has been over, then return statement. So when the control comes to return statement, then directly that terminate the method. Hereafter that control back to there and according to given codes the output display. Suppose if I'm going to use inside down console class dot write line, I'm going to use add one. So let's see what happens. So going to enter 4 and 6, 10. So it's displaying 10. But there I have given at your console.writeLine add 1. So they must be print add 10 twice times. But to add your return statement, the use of return statement, so it directly terminates execution of method. So this method execution that directly terminated. Now here after that control back to this point at here whatever the add method, so at here that back not to going to this point and here getting the message at here on receiver code detected. So after return it's a directly terminated, so whatever you are going to use, so directly on receiver kind of message you will get. Now here after let's do some things like going to take one into sum and we are going to add a plus b. Now here again getting the message unreachable code detected. So that means after return statement or no operation will be happen at here. So this the use of return statement terminate the execution of the method in which it appears. So it when the work as everything has been done, then directly that terminate. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you. So about one more thing about when I will discuss about method. So there I will discuss at a return void everything in the detailed way. So this video I make my intention is to make the appropriate means so some or something like a brief introduction about the return statement. So why we are using return statement here. So when the control comes to return a statement, so directly terminate the execution of the method. So static, so add method here, so directly that terminate the execution. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.